Understanding discussion forums, a guide to online conversations. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a very common but crucial part of the online world, discussion forums. Whether you're learning English or any other subject, knowing how to use and participate in these forums can be incredibly beneficial. So, let's dive in and understand what discussion forums are and how they can help you in your learning journey. A discussion forum is an online platform where people can post messages to start a conversation or to join an ongoing one. Think of it as a virtual room where people from all around the world gather to share ideas, ask questions, and provide answers. Each conversation in a forum is usually organized into a separate thread based on topics or questions. Most discussion forums have similar components. Let's look at some of them. Threads, a series of messages or posts centered around a single topic or question. Posts, individual messages or replies within a thread. Members, registered users who participate in the discussions. Moderators, members who oversee the forums, ensuring that discussions stay respectful and on topic. Participating in a discussion forum can be a great way to improve your English. Here are some steps to get started. 1. Find a forum. Choose a forum that focuses on topics you're interested in. 2. Register. Create an account to become a member. 3. Read the rules. Understand and follow the forum's guidelines. 4. Start engaging. Post new topics or reply to existing threads. Remember, quality contributions are more valuable than quantity. Discussion forums are not just about discussions. They're a great tool for language learning. Practice writing. Regularly writing posts can improve your writing skills. Learn from others. Reading posts from native speakers can expose you to new vocabulary and grammar. Get feedback. Other members can provide corrections and suggestions on your posts. Cultural exchange. Forums often attract international members, offering insights into different cultures and perspectives. Discussion forums are a treasure trove of knowledge, conversation, and cultural exchange. They provide a platform not just for learning and sharing about specific topics, but also for improving your language skills. So, don't hesitate to join a forum of your interest. Engage, learn, and contribute. You'll be amazed at how much you can gain from these vibrant online communities. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video helps you navigate and benefit from discussion forums more effectively.